Good morning, everyone. Shauna, the Tax Goddess. Now, it is the beginning of 2023. I am super excited because my New Year's plan is to help clients save over $1 billion this year. Now, last year we hit a little over $740 million in savings, but I want this number to cross $1 billion for 2023. Now, the reason why I bring this up is because when I help you save $1 billion, that means the government doesn't get their money. And for me, that is one of the best things that you can possibly do is keep the cash that you have worked so hard for yourself, for your business, for your family, to help you reinvest. Now, one of the things that I always ask people is, listen, if you are at this point right now, you're at the beginning of a brand new year, if you had already found the perfect person to work with, you would already have committed to them, right? Now, what we normally find is that people are looking for tax strategies and they're really trying to figure out, there's so many different options, but one of the biggest questions that they have is, well, that's great. I can go do my own research on Google and I can learn about this tax strategy, but I don't necessarily know, am I doing it right? Am I implementing it properly? How is it going to interact with other tax strategies that I have that I'm trying to implement? So no one, even some of the other tax strategy firms, are not looking at what I would call a holistic view of your entire financial portfolio. So looking at your insurance, looking at your cash flow, looking at your bookkeeping, looking at how these tax strategies are going to implement your implement within your tax return. Can you tell I get worked up by this stuff? So, one of the biggest things I believe and that we at Tax Goddess really try to do is to make sure that not only are we giving you the tax strategies, but we're also giving you a team of people that you can ask questions to. How should I implement this? When should I implement it? Which order, right? Because typically we're looking at 10, 15, 30 strategies all integrating together into one plan to make sure that you are getting an overall view and everything is working in a coordinated effort to reduce your taxes. So if you found the perfect person, I hope you've committed to them. Paying taxes more than what is required to me is just silly. But if you haven't found the perfect person and you haven't already committed to working with them, we would love to chat with you. Like I said, it's my goal this year to make sure that we save over $1 billion in 2023 for our clients. We were close last year, but not quite. So we're going to keep working on it in 2023, and we would love to help you save the same kind of money. So if you're looking for somebody to get committed to, we'd love to get engaged. So let us know. Happy to work with you. Me and the team here at Tax Goddess are ready to answer any questions. So if you have a question, want to see what we can do for you, just kind of look at your information and see what options you might have available. Reach out to us, taxgoddess.com, book an appointment, and we'd be happy to chat. All right. Thanks so much. Have a great day.